Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, chapter 15. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Shangmi and Tang Wangting. It was next door, the dressing room. Everyone seems to be busy preparing before the shooting's gonna start. Well, for Tang Wangting, she was still there, and she was looking around. Someone said, "No way, are we really talking about it?" Even they're not talking about it, they're still ambiguous. Turns out, there's a gossip inside the room. During this time, they all came in and out together, and I heard that someone saw Su Siwan negotiate in a room. It didn't matter when I entered the room. Well, was it being photographed? Right now, someone is calling. Isn't Sister Sue is here? Well, finally, the gossiper got interrupted. Come back to their senses. Well, she went to the set early in the morning. Ah, that's it. The girl suddenly said. But where could it go? Sister Shangyi saw bruises on her calf yesterday and asked me to deliver the medicine. Could you please hand it over to me? So it turns out like this. Shangyi is the one who's looking for Suki. Well, everyone seems to be quiet. Oh, Teacher Shao, your eyebrows. Well, this girl seems to be in shock. Looking at it, her eyebrows are not really properly aligned and fainted. Well, she was stunned when she looked at the mirror. It was too thick and it really looks funny. Although I didn't have a good rest yesterday, but fortunately my play was moved to the afternoon, so I have time to redraw it. Oh, this girl. She really gets jealous about the news. Right now, she's removing her makeup. Of course, maybe she really gets jealous about the news and gossips. That's why right now she's not in herself. She drew her eyebrows, not thinking about it. As a known number, are you going to the play in the water today? Come to my room later and I will give you a cold medicine. Well, who could it be? It seems that she was really worried. So this is it. She was quiet because she's not feeling well. Although right now, she kept her silence the whole day. Back to Shangyi's place. Well, Shangyi, this time, she really got busy on preparing something. But right now, looking at her, her friend said, "Be honest, what are you planning recently?" You hold a gun against me and ask me what I want to do, Shangyi said to her friend. Right now, she explaining her sides. Inexplicably, I have such an heated argument with Suki and she insisted on me going to deliver medicine to her today, even though I knew she was on the set. But Shangyi, she was carefully listening. I know that you two even have super CP skill. Guess Xiao Yuxi was also angry at Sushi. Lost contact with you that he painted his eyebrows. Right now, Shangyi. Oh, she was thinking something else. Right now, she was falling into memories. Guess she is thinking about Tang Wangting. Right now, all she can think is her. But did she really get jealous? Looking at Tang Wangting right now, she was blushing. Also, she was always shy. You see, Shangyi. Right now, the two of them are still fixing the dress Shangyi needs to wear. Tang Wangting, she was really serious. She is fixing it tightly. Look at Shangyi. It seems that she's having difficulty of breathing. Right now, after finishing tidying up, Tang Wangting, she backed off, said, "Teacher Shang, okay, Take a look. Finally, it's all over. Xiang Yi said to her. It's so hard. My A4 waist was stretched out. Oh, she was looking at the mirror right now. She was looking on herself, looking at her. She looks really gorgeous. Xiang Yi said, isn't this just a gossip? Why don't you guess? Tang Wangting said, suddenly, no longer curious. Oh, this girl. It seems that she is so easy to upset. Right now, Xiang Yi, she was really curious about her and moved closer to her and said, why? Now, she looks really curious because Tang Wangting herself was like a misery. And it's really hard to talk about it. Teacher Shang always breaks the rules like this to anyone. Is he asking the questions to the end? She was really blushing and also she always gets shy when Xiang Yi is close to her. Xiang Yi said, that's not to say dividing people. At the present, it seems that I do feel this about Teacher Tang. Oh, these two girls. But right now, of course, they really can explain to themselves and also cannot tell to each other. But it seems that they really like each other. Tang Wangting said, you. Well, looking at Xiang Yi, hey, it's really too tight. Please, loosen it some for me. Well, it was right. Because her clothes are really too tight for her. Right now, Tang Wangting is going to fix that corset. Xiang Yi, it seems that she wants to tease her so much. Oh, looking at them, they're really close to each other. Especially Xiang Yi said to her, Teacher Tang, it's that okay? Oh, but Tang Wangting right now, she was really blushing so much. Well, it was a small theater. Business idea of Lian Su. Now, she was really busy searching things. Although right now, this is what everyone in the entertainment industry does. Now, she really learned a lot of things, and the relationship between Xiang Yi and hers are really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for the new supporter, Caro Ramirez and Amanda. Thank you for supporting this channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open for support this channel. You can support by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!